The trolley problem, the neglected third chain. On the tram track at night, a tram is approaching. A female detective holds a notebook and calmly analyzes the scene.
Today we come to the classic trolley problem.
A tram was heading towards the track ahead at high speed, with 2 branches on the road. There are 5 workers on one track and only 1 on the other.
The classic version, you control the switch. Do you let the trolley hit 5 people or redirect it to hit 1?
A philosophy professor stood in front of the blackboard and wrote "Maximize happiness." The female detective stood nearby, holding a voice recorder, listening suspiciously.
Utilitarianism says, choose the lesser harm because it saves more people.
The female detective frowned. "Maximize happiness" was crossed out on the blackboard and a question mark was drawn on it. The professor looked at her in surprise.
However, if we always determine value based on quantity, can a medical unit sacrifice 1 innocent person to save 5 people?
The philosopher stands on the podium with a blackboard saying people should not be treated as a means.
Deontology holds that harming a person is wrong in itself, regardless of the consequences.
The female detective drew a picture of a runaway trolley, looking confused.
But if we do nothing, 5 people are going to get hurt. Is that really the better option?
A man stands on a bridge with a female detective standing nearby, contemplating a terrifying possibility.
Some suggest, what if pushing a large man could stop the trolley?
But at this moment, the female detective turned back in surprise and looked at the tram carriage.
Wait a minute, did no one notice there are 100 passengers on the trolley?
The tram passengers looked out the window in fear, and the female detective nervously thought about how to save everyone.
If we switch tracks, 5 people live, but the trolley derails, injuring or killing 100. From this point of view, the trolley problem is still a puzzle, but with a third, more difficult lock.